What's going on, everybody? It's Matt with American 4WD. Hope you're having an awesome day. I'm back to the shop. Everything's rocking and rolling. Brent's done a really good job running the shop while I was gone. I'm going to give you a quick shop update. Remember, everybody, that this weekend is our Stony Lonesome ride. So, guys, if you're going to be out there, we will meet up at the main office at Stony Lonesome at 9:30 a.m. park time. So, guys, if you want to meet us down there, or if you're already camping with us, rock and roll, we're going to meet there at 9:30 a.m. At the office, there's a little roundabout where we can kind of congregate, have a quick driver's meeting, and then we're rocking and rolling. So, without further ado, let's rock and roll. There's a lot going on. This needs a starter. This needs bump stops, front and rear. It needs new leaf spring bushings. And a whole other mess. We already did he blew up the rear axle, so we redid that, so it's getting some extra stuff. The side-by-side is getting some extra lights and some maintenance stuff, oil changes, things like that. We got brakes all the way around, because God only knows when it was last done. We have some hard top seals and check engine light and catalytic converters going in on that. Over here we have a blown engine. Somebody put sand down into the oil fill neck, so we had to put sand and stuff, or we had to drop the oil pan and just to double check, make sure, or not to double check. We dropped the oil pan and found that somebody put sand down into it. So that's what blew the motor. Sorry, I can't talk. Yeah, fun stuff. Fun stuff. So we got to get a new motor for this one. Karen's got the new Poison Spider BFH rear bumper on, the high clearance bumper, which is awesome because it pokes it up real high, gets it out of the way, and it pokes it stupidly far in because the factory frame rails stick out to like here, and you have to cut all that off and then bolt this bumper up to it. So that is awesome. That's stupid high clearance. So that's awesome. That's looking good. What else to get ready? We did some G2 ball joints. So uppers and lowers. Looking good in there. Here they are. We're going to do some wheel bearings and some other stuff today at some point. We got the cockroach. I don't know. We haven't named this thing yet, but we're about to get situated with this guy. All of our stuff came in from Barnes, so hopefully we'll get started on it at some point. But got TJ in the shop with some bent front sway bar disconnects. So yeah, as you can see, that's not supposed to do that. It's not supposed to be like that. So we got to get him some new stuff. We got the Ram AC work and a transmission service. He's all done. We got WJ in the house. The WJ is getting a whole bunch of stuff, but for now we're starting with just the general maintenance stuff. So fuel injectors, timing gear and chain, oil pan gasket, lower hoses, thermostat, all that fun stuff. So we're gonna be unscrewing that here in a little bit. We got Bob's Jeep in the house. Bob is getting a rear LSD. So we got him going right this exact second. The rear LSD is somewhere around here. It's a mess. So we got him rocking. We did a front lunchbox locker Saturday, and we also did a 1-ton steering kit. So Bob, and a heavy-duty diff cover. So Bob is going to be kicking ass and taking names on the trail this weekend. Got Joseph's XJ in the house. We're doing some fun stuff. We're doing a Forge adjustable front track bar with a drop bracket. We're doing rough country adjustable control arms all the way around. So that's gonna be awesome. We'll get him all buttoned up here in a little bit. We're almost done with this guy. But yeah, we still got all of Noah's stuff right there, and Noah's tires. and of course we got more stuff to do. It's been busy, to say the least. So guys, I appreciate it. Thank you so much for letting us work on your stuff and bringing it to us. Any questions, comments, leave them. Let me know. Give us a call, give us a shout. Guys, these videos go on our Facebook page and they go on YouTube. So guys on YouTube, if you don't mind, hit the like button, subscribe. It just helps us out. But other than that, guys, we'll see you this weekend.